BackDraft Bikes 2-minute review, and I'm going to talk about this whole situation right here. Factory 1200 Scrambler, and the tail is just a mess. I mean, look at how big and honking that thing is. It sticks down. So I really have been on the search for some sort of tail tidy, and there's a couple different options, but the issue that you run into is that they've got this weird fender thing going on. So this is all one piece right here. So I'm going to attempt to do something. I picked up an Iconic from A&J Cycles license plate bracket, and I'm actually going to take that. Comes with a little license plate light as well. I'm actually going to take that and we're going to cut this fender and just this plastic garbage, and we're going to relocate the license plate just up underneath it. Okay, so it's installed now. Boom, just like that. I like it. It's a nice fit and finish. The plate will go right up here. There's a little mini plate light holder that sticks on with double-sided tape. You do, however, have to modify the rear fender. Underneath plastic piece quite a bit, especially if you decide to use this bracket that the indicator lights go on. Speaking of that bracket, maybe it's just my OCD kicking in, but the lights do not sit level. They're kind of tweaked a little this way towards the ground. They should be a little bit more like this if I was looking at this from a straight on perspective. But again, it might just be not that big of a deal for some of you. I kind of like to get different blinkers anyways, but they're so stinking expensive. All right, well, I'm happy. This looks way better than it did before. Please give me a comment, like, or subscribe, and be safe out there.